In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create half-face text portrait in Canva. 5 minutes. We'll start in Canva. Log in, then create a new design or open an existing project at the size you plan to use, like a social post or poster. Setting the right canvas size first helps you avoid resizing later. Upload your portrait and drag it onto the page. Resize it so the face fills the frame nicely and use Canva's guides to center it. Aim for a clean background if you can. It makes the text effect pop. Next, add a square shape from elements. Change its color to match your background. The eyedropper tool helps you pick an exact color from your image. Position the square so it covers the half of the face where you don't want text to appear. This creates a simple mask that defines the split. Add a big, bold heading. A heavy, condensed font like Anton works great. Type your words, keeping them short and impactful for readability. Make the text white and place it over the half of the face you want to feature text on. Adjust size, line spacing, and letter spacing so the text hugs the facial contours without feeling crowded. Download this page as a PNG for crisp edges. Then, on your working page, remove the extra elements so only the original portrait remains. This keeps your project tidy for the next step. Upload the PNG you just saved, create a new page, and place both the original image and the PNG together. Align and layer them so the white text sits on the intended half while the color block masks the other side. Use transparency toggles and the send backward-forward options to dial in the exact overlap. Open the Apps panel and search for Blend Image. Select the Blend Image tool, then choose your text layer and your portrait as the two sources. Configure the blend so the text interacts with the face in a way that feels intentional. Choose Screen as the blend mode and add the blended result to your design. Screen preserves the brightness of the white text while blending it smoothly over midtones and shadows, giving you that clean, integrated look. Finally, scale the blended design to fit the page. Nudge edges and check alignment at 200% zoom for a seamless split down the center line. When it looks right, you're done. Export your final image and share.